Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the 125 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier, designed specifically for crawl spaces and basements. This industrial-grade powerhouse is perfect for tackling water damage restoration in areas up to 6,000 square feet, ensuring your space stays dry and protected. Equipped with a convenient drain hose, it offers hassle-free, continuous drainage, so you can set it and forget it. The auto defrost function ensures optimal performance even in colder environments, preventing frost buildup and maintaining efficiency. Plus, with its memory starting feature, this dehumidifier remembers your settings, making it a breeze to restart after power outages. Whether you're dealing with a damp basement or a moisture-prone crawl space, this dehumidifier is engineered to deliver reliable, long-lasting results. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on keeping your spaces comfortable and moisture-free. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.